this problem, I'm given the equation 3x plus y is equal to 6. What our goal is to write an additional equation that is parallel to this same line or this same equation and has a y-intercept of 5. What would be helpful first is if we wrote the given equation in slope-intercept form. How I'm going to do that is go ahead and subtract 3x from both sides to solve for y, so that my slope-intercept form will be y is equal to negative 3x plus 6. Now that we have the original equation in slope-intercept form, I can now write my new equation that is parallel to this one and has a y-intercept of 5. Keep in mind, parallel lines have same slopes. So this is a very simple question as soon as we were able to write the original equation in slope-intercept form. So my slope will be the exact same as this one that was given to me that I originally wrote. So my slope will be minus 3x as well. And then my y-intercept will just be, instead of 6, it'll be 5, so plus 5.